This month's back arch conditioning is using the rings and rotating. So your easy version for the hang is going to be just weight shifting left to right. So you lower yourself into the position that feels good. For some people, they're on the knees. You've really got to be mindful not to overarch the lower back. You want to stretch out the front of the hips and the shoulders. From there, you can work side to side, just opening up the shoulders there. And then you can come up onto the toes. And then you can rotate, holding both rings around. Really getting into those lats. The other side. If that's feeling pretty good, and you feel nice in the shoulder doing that, go to one ring. And then you can lower that down as well to make it a bit heavier. So this is going to be much more challenging. Closer position, and just rotate. Feels awesome, really tuck the butt under here. Come around, open the front line, other side. Can go into the one arm version on that as well, which will provide that extra strength there. In some ways it's a bit easier, flexibility wise. But there you're really nice and strong. Rotate that one around. Then come back. Rotate that one around. That's awesome. So just really try and mobilize and open that up. For the push part of it, on the ground, just getting that nice back bridge position. We're starting with the front bridge. You want to work on getting the forearms like that. You might start like that, so you can start to get the reach over. But the sooner you get the strength here, the easier the whole drill is going to be, and that opens you up for all the different athletic floor movements with rotation and the back arch kind of position that you use more dynamically. So here I'm holding a bridge, I'm just working on that forearm strength, the fingers back like that. Then I've got the weight shift, conditioning the elbow there, then a step, and then I can reach with that arm. So that arm's going to come around. The higher I can get the hips here, the easier it is on the shoulder. Then I can use that second leg that I've stepped up to push me forward to mobilize me more there. So that one, reach, step, push. The more you work on your dislocates each day, that'll help with the shoulder mobility to get that better. And just your whole mobility through the spine, the thoracic, the foam rolling, all that's going to help. The standing version, a little bit more challenging. Well, they're all challenging. I like to just use a fingertip. So I've got that there, and then I'm going to step, look, rotate round. Rotate round. Do one finger, and then I can do the other one. So you have your hips facing this way. Like that. Obviously have that fingertip higher. I like the fingertip here in the gym because of the mirrors. If I put the whole hand, and I'm cleaning the mirrors every week when people are kind of smudging all over them, but just one finger's not too bad, just because I'm lazy. So that works quite well doing that. And then because you've got that arch position, for the rest, those three are going to be arched, so then just getting that nice child's pose position, rocking side to side. You might do a little bit of wrist moving there before you go back into that first arch rotation in the rings. You're really trying to unwind the tension on all the corners, so you get that nice rotation in, nice rotation out of the position. So it's smoother, it's more controlled. And you just need to give your shoulders and your hips and your lower back time to adjust and keep working on that mobility and just getting that strength and connective tissue tolerance in all those positions, and just work with whatever your body's going to give you. If you've got one side that's much more mobile than the others, just focus on the tighter side so you bring more balance to your body. And if one side's just more coordinated, just use that side to teach the less coordinated side. So you might do that first and then go, oh, that's how it feels. Now I can do it using that feeling on the other side, and just take your time, use the camera, and that's what this coaching is all about. You know, film yourself doing it and then submit it and give it to me, so that way I can give you feedback on what you can work on, and whether it's different mobility and stretching stuff that you can do, or strengthening that's going to help improve that overall position. And that's what coaching is about, is trying to make the journey into this transition easier. Get into it, enjoy it.